today. It's like I'm a cake and I'm scooping the icing over with the spatula, putting that cake face on. So this is going to be the moment of truth. Can I apply my foundation with a hairbrush? I feel like I can. So today is going to be a challenge. I have been challenged to apply my foundation with a hairbrush. And I don't know if it's going to work. I feel like I can make it work though. I'm going to make it work. So I was talking to one of my friends and they challenged me and said that I could not make foundation work with a hairbrush. Yes, I can. And I need your guys' help. If you comment down below if it does work and let me know, then I get free dessert. Yeah! So make sure if it does look okay, you guys leave a comment down below and let me know, because if it doesn't and I can't make this work, I have to buy dessert for them. It's gonna be like a spatula. Oh god, how am I gonna do that? Maybe if I just hit it. Oh, now I'm leaving weird texture on my face. It kind of feels like I'm just smacking myself in the face though with it. Get out of my way here. It's honestly, if I can blend it out, I don't feel like this is going to be the worst foundation I've ever had. Like, I feel like you could go back in time and talk to teenage Chloe and be like, this is going to look better than what you're doing on your face. And I would have looked a bit better, because I just looked like an orange Oompa Loompa when I was a teenager. I don't know what was going through my mind, but I really did think I looked okay. No words, speechless. How am I supposed to get in the crease of that? So what I'm gonna do, put my foundation on. Obviously we can't use that side, we've got to use this side. And then I'm going to do my eyes and my lips and everything. And if I look okay, no powder, I'm not allowed any powder, not allowed face powder, because that will probably make it look better than what it does, then I win. What the fuck is this? Whew, beautiful today. It's like I'm a cake and I'm scooping the icing over with the spatula, putting that cake face on. So obviously guys, today we are not doing a natural look, we are doing a full cakey face makeup. You could use that side to exfoliate your face though. Woo! How are we gonna get around the nose? Doesn't help that my skin's a bit dry at the moment, so it's like clinging to the dryness. Would not recommend this if you're a bit drier like me at the moment. No, I'm a plasterer now. I should just say, if anyone needs any home improvement work done, obviously I'm really great at this stuff. As you can see, it doesn't look ridiculous or anything. Come on. at least like for my eyelids, when I put my not my foundation, when I put my eyeshadow on, it won't look as bad in that area. But my forehead, my cheeks, I don't know what is going on. This is like disaster. I need to get up here. Oh, I think I used way too much. Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh, getting it all in my hair as well. Pat it good. I feel like I need to put some spray on my face in all honesty, because my skin's looking a little bit dry. They actually kind of hurts. Rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it. Imagine doing this as your foundation routine, like if you had friends over or something and you're like, can I borrow your hairbrush? I'm like, oh yeah, sure, thinking that you're going to brush your hair, and you're just like, I'll put my foundation on with it. So let's go on and do the eyes and the lips, and we'll put some bronzer and blush on, but base staying like this, no setting anything. So let's see what this looks like at the end of it. I really love this palette. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I've just got one of the really soft browns just here. It's really awkwardly holding it. And then we're going to go in, let's use this one here. We'll do my like go-to makeup look. Obviously it's not going to look as go-to as what it normally does because my face is looking a little bit munted. But hey, let's go for it. Now, let's go on with that cranberry copper. Ooh, my favourite. We're not going to go too OTT with this makeup look today, just because my face will probably have to come off after anyway. Let's just face reality and truth here. It's probably not going to look that great close up when I show you guys soon. But a girl can dream, right? Eyes looking beautiful, face not so much. Okay, now let's put a little bit of highlight on. We're going to be using Lightscapade. Oh, way too much highlight. Damn. That is eye-catching. Pretty. Mascara. We're going to be using this bad boy. So this is Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Let's hope I don't get it on my nose and ruin my beautiful makeup. Only face brush we're going to be using today. Or we're going to be putting a little bit of bronzer on. Bronze up my skin. Because, yeah, I'm turning invisible with the wall today. Oh, did she get mascara on my cheek? Knew it would happen at some point. Just knew it. And we do it on this side. Bronze up my life. Oh, maybe it's a little bit too much bronzer. Oh well, we're looking golden. Oh wow, yep, I'm turning orange. I just wanted to be bad foundation application and orange today. What have I done? Touch up. Now you want to look nice. Okay, no, it wants to look cakey. Alright, let's skip on to the lips. Give me some lips other than these foundation ones. And we're going to be using this NARS lip colour in the shade Star Woman, because I'm a star with this makeup. That's as good as it's gonna get with the lips today, guys. Now, heading on to the brows. Just going to use the brow powder, give me some shape. And I'm back! Somehow my brows ended up being more defined than normal, even though I wanted them to be a bit more natural. Don't know how that happened, but anyway, let's get back to the foundation. So I'm going to show you guys some up close footage of what my favourite foundation applicator does on your face. Don't I look beautiful? So as you can see, it did not cover any of my psoriasis at the top here. Nor did it look good on my nose or under my eyes. But as a whole, I don't think it did that bad. Like as bad as what I expected it to do. I don't think it's like the worst makeup I've ever seen. But it's a shame it didn't cover that. I used to be so self-conscious about my scalp, but this is who I am, and unfortunately there is nothing I can do at this stage to get rid of it. Just prevent it slightly, so yeah, that didn't cover that anyway. You can see here it's a bit patchy, and over my nose it just didn't even work. There it's a bit patchy as well, and around my brow area it's a little bit drier, but all in all, not a horrible job. So all in all, I don't think it did that bad. I definitely don't think the nose looks that great. Under the eyes and around the brow, not the worst, but definitely not good. But I think that I did a pretty good job, so I feel like I should be taken out for dessert for this one. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below, and hopefully you guys all think the same and I get free dessert. If there's any other challenges you guys would like me to test out or do, or if there's anything else you would like me to apply foundation with, let me know and I can get on to that. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye!